In this video, you will learn how to unsubscribe from emails in Gmail in a matter of seconds. Open Gmail, log into your Gmail account on your browser or mobile app. Log in using your credentials. Open the email you want to unsubscribe from. Click on the email from the sender you no longer want to receive any emails from. Look for the unsubscribe link. Most marketers or promotional emails include an unsubscribe link near the sender's name at the top of your email. Click unsubscribe. Click the unsubscribe to open the unsubscribe prompt. Continue and confirm your unsubscription. Follow the instructions to confirm that you want to stop receiving emails from this sender forever. Use Gmail's automatic unsubscribe feature. Gmail also shows an unsubscribe option next to the sender's name. Make sure to click on it, then confirm it to remove the sender automatically. Now you know how to unsubscribe from email in Gmail. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.